and sing in the summer rains. Cluck, 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 oh Polly P, adventures wait for you and me. She met a buggy, small and green. Together they made quite a team. Up in the sky, oh so high, Budgie's on a balloon. Oh my, with colors blue and green and red, he flies above the flower bed. Tweet, 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 the buggy sings, high above on colorful wings. They cheer and laugh, they clap and cheer, as Budgie's flight brings joy and cheer. Tweet, 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 the buggy sings, high above on colorful wings, floating on a breeze so light, through the day and into night. Polly Hen and Budgie Blue started up a band, it's true. Their music's rhythm can't be beat. Kids would gather, dance around to the joyous, jolly sound. A melody of love and cheer, spreading happiness far and near. Cluck, chirp, play along, Hen and Budgie's happy song, strumming strings and tapping feet. Their music's rhythm can't be beat. In a garden lush and green, Polly and Budgie could be seen, planting seeds and watering flowers, spending joyful, happy hours. Cluck, chirp, watch them grow in the sunshine's golden glow. With love and care the buds will bloom, filling hearts and clearing gloom. Polly found a worm to share, Budgie sang without a care. In their garden, side by side, in nature's wonders they take pride. Cluck, chirp, watch them grow in the sunshine's golden glow.